So what you need to do is part your hair off. Well, what Curly Bev recommend you do is to part your hair off in a few sections. Mind you, they're going to be jumbo. So I have my hair in 5 sections, and I'm gonna go in. She said it'll be easier if you just go ahead and rubber band everything. That way at the end you'll be able to twist everything up and that process will go way smoother. So I'm gonna go in and wet my hair. And what Bev did is she went in with her styling gel. I don't have her gel, so I'm just gonna go in with the Curl Maker Camille Rose. Just 1 squirt of that because I don't really like gel in my hair. Now what you should do is either go ahead and do your edges as you go. I'm not good with doing my edges, so I think I'm just gonna leave that hair out and I'll play around with it later. But now what you're going to do is go in, put your rubber band on, not too tight. That's pretty good. I looped it around 4 times. And I'm gonna go in, so you guys see how I did that one section. Now I'm gonna go in and complete the rest of my head and I will be back. All right, so I got the hard part over. All my hair is sectioned off in rubber bands. I believe I have 11 rubber bands over here, so it'll be 11 twists on this side. So again, the products that I'm using are my Scents for Saints hair and body butter and my Amore hair growth oil. It smells pretty good, and I like how the hair butter is not like super thick. Like I can squeeze it and you guys can see it moving. So it seemed like it's gonna be nice and lightweight, and I like that so far about this product. My hair oil, I'm just gonna really add it to my scalp and a little bit to my strands. I will be wetting my hair one more time. My hair is so much more manageable when it's wet. So normally all of my styles are done on wet hair. Oh yeah, it's definitely light and fluffy. I like that. So she whipped it real well. I'm not gonna add too much. I need to see how much. You guys know how body butters are, so I'm assuming this hair butter is gonna spread very well. And I know my hair, ooh, my hair feels nice. This is nice. It's nice and thick and creamy. I think this is perfect for a protective style because my hair, I'm thinking I'm gonna have this style in for at least a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks as I start my working out. But I think this is very nice and lovely. It's so thick and creamy. I'm gonna add some of this oil to my scalp. I like how the oil, it doesn't have too much of a heavy smell. I like how she gave me this little drop thing to put in. Just putting this kind of like in the middle of my hair. Not too much, and I'm gonna put a drop or two in my hand. Put it over my hair. I feel like y'all never see the bottom of my hair, so I'm trying to scoot all the way back so that y'all can see as I twist my hair. And I'm just Curly Bev's just twist her hair. It was nothing. It wasn't in a special way. It was just twisting up her hair, and we're gonna rubber band it at the end. This hair cream and oil is nice. My hair feels so moisturized. I'm gonna rubber band it so that my hair will stay. Not too tight, and that is one twist. What do y'all think? Y'all think I should keep growing my hair after it passed the bottom of my butt? Or y'all think I should go ahead and cut it, style it in a different way? I would love to get like some layers. I think what I will end up doing is getting like some layers and some bangs at some point. Not sure when, but I think that'd be cute. That way it'll keep the bottom length of my hair, but it just gets shorter as you get to the top of my head. And I feel like my cute protective styles would be cute with some layered hair. Yeah, you really don't need a lot at all. Like, I have this amount that I'm using. You do not need a lot because this hair cream is so thick and rich. I'm gonna be ordering some more of these products because this hair cream is everything. Let me go in with my nice hair growth oil. And the one thing about this hair oil is that it's anti-itch. So with me not washing my hair for about a week and a half to 2, hopefully it shouldn't be itching my hair. But I've seen like good things on her Instagram page. Like a lot of people who have like maybe they have thinning hair. I've even seen people with their beards who use her oil. Like their beards are so thick, their before and after photos. So I do believe that this oil is pretty good. I know all of the ingredients that she put in it. She listed it on her page. Very nice, all natural ingredients, nothing but tons of oils that are gonna help grow your hair. And yeah, so I know I will be supporting both businesses again, especially this hair butter. Like, it's so rich. So I made it up front to my hair, and this is how my hair is looking so far. It feels very moisturized. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing to this side as I did to this side, and I will be back. So I'm done and I am loving this twist out. Honestly, I love a nice protective low maintenance style. I would recommend anyone, if you are trying to grow your hair out, you definitely should choose a nice low maintenance style, something where you don't have to touch your hair for about a week or two. And I feel like a nice twist out of this size should easily be able to get you 2 weeks without you having to constantly touch your hair. All you do is just go in and moisturize your hair a little bit, put a little oil on it. And I know that's a good way for your hair to grow because you're not constantly tugging and pulling on your hair. But let me get into these products, because when I tell you this Scents for Saints Rejuvenating Hair and Body Butter is everything, and I mean everything. Like I try a million products, but I have never bought a product off of the shelves, and I'm talking TGIN, Shea Moisture, Miel, Carol's Daughter. I have never tried a hair butter or a hair moisturizer that have my hair feeling the way this product have my hair feeling. When I tell you, it's not just moisturized, it's extra moisturized, and I'm loving it. Like, if you guys need a good moisturizer, if your hair is looking to feel loved, then I would definitely recommend that you click the link in my box and you go support Scents for Saints. And I love the fact that I paired it with this oil. This oil was really nice. I'm looking forward to maintaining my hair with the oil. I'm gonna go in about 3 days and just oil up my scalp just to keep my hair extra moisturized. And for this product, I didn't have to use a lot of the hair butter, and what I love about it is that it's 100% natural. So it's interchangeably, if you want to use it on your hair or if you want to use it on your body, then it's safe for both of those. And the shelf life says that it's good for 5 to 7 months after your first use. I am not sponsored by none of these products, but I just want to let you guys know that I love natural stuff. But overall, you guys, I am loving my hair. I took this little style from the CURLY BEV Show, and it is very nice, and I would recommend this style to anyone. So thank you all for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will be coming with many more videos. If you guys have any products that you all sell, let me know in the comment section. I would love to support you all. And again, thank you all for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.